Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with new video. Dear friend and dear viewers, how are you? I hope you are all fine and doing well. I am also fine, Alhamdulillah, thanks for my Allah. In this video I will show you very beautiful trendy short hair cutting ideas, hair styling ideas and hair dye color ideas for all girls and women. I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. I hope you like my videos. I hope you enjoy my videos. All kinds of cutting will make your personality look great and awesome. A fresh hairstyle brings instant confidence, new hair, new energy. Its smooth, its trends create a polished look. Shine makes all the difference. Soft layer adds natural movement. Flow keeps it effortless. A sharp puff is modern, clean curls, highlight features. Long hair carries timeless beauty, length adds graceful charm. Defined curls show personality, texture makes it unique. A sleek ponytail looks powerful, simplicity can be striking. Curtain bangs frame the face gently, soft edges enhance beauty. If you like these ideas, like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Subtle highlights add deep, light tones create dimension. A neat trim keeps adds healthy, maintains protects style. Beachy waves feel carefree, loose texture looks fresh. Healthy roots support strong strands, care wings at the base. A texture Pixie feels bold, short style, show confidence. Balance layer prevent heaviness, shape keeps hair lively. A smooth straight hair feels refined, sleek lines look elegant. A soft fringe adds charm, small details changing everything. Glossy finish reflects good care, shine enhance beauty. A messy bun feels relaxed, casual style can still shine. If you want to get more ideas, so visit my YouTube channel and watch my other video, then get more ideas. Deep conditioning restores softness, hydration, improves texture. A bold haircut refreshes your vibe. Changes feel empowering. Clean edges make style sharp. Precision improves appearance. Thick hair need smart shaping. Balance controls volume. Fine hair benefit from layering. Structure adds fullness. Soft curl feel romantic, gentle movement enhance grace. A center part creates symmetry, balance, sharpness the look. So my dear friends, we will be right back. Take care of yourself. See you soon with new video, new trendy videos, new ideas videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Take care. Lafis. Jazakallah khair. We will be right back.